Alright, hey YouTube, back. The last video kind of malfunctioned halfway through. My phone like overheated. I don't fucking know. iPhone problems, I guess. But yeah, the bezel's on. I was trying to show everybody kind of how it went together, but pretty straightforward. Once again, turn the steering wheel left and right to connect the bezel there. Alright, once I clip that in, I began kind of pushing all this into the dash and push this piece back into the wall. I clip this back in just by pushing it in. It literally takes like 2 minutes if even. And then the only screws I really had to take off were the steering column ones and the stuff to get the kind of bezel shroud off. But there's the carbon installed, pretty cool. Give you a look there.